Xiaomi is stepping into the AI PC era with a game-changer, the RedmiBook Pro 2025. Featuring cutting-edge Intel Core Ultra processors, next-gen AI capabilities, and major performance upgrades, this laptop is built to redefine productivity and creativity. At the heart of the RedmiBook Pro 2025 lies Intel's second-generation Core Ultra processors. With up to 96 TOPS AI computing power, this laptop delivers a staggering 150% plus boost in AI performance. What does that mean for you? Smarter system optimizations, AI-powered search functions, and on-device processing for large models, all designed to make your workflow smoother than ever. But AI isn't the only upgrade. Xiaomi has packed this machine with LPDDR5X 8400 MTS ultra-fast memory, a 34.4% improved cooling system, and powerful gaming capabilities. In fact, internal tests show that the highly anticipated game runs at an average of 67 FPS, reaching peaks of 75 FPS. With so many powerful upgrades, a price increase was inevitable. Xiaomi's product marketing director Ma Zhiyu explains that this is due to rising CPU costs, stronger hardware components, and exchange rate shifts. However, he reassures that prices won't be artificially inflated. You're paying for real innovation, not unnecessary markups. The RedmiBook Pro 2025 is more than just an upgrade. It's a glimpse into the future of AI computing, and the wait is almost over. Xiaomi will officially unveil this powerhouse on February 27th at 7 p.m. CST, alongside the Xiaomi 15 Ultra and SU7 Ultra. Are you ready for the future? Stay tuned.